A very good morning, students, to all of you. I am Dr. Sanjana Sharma. Students, I am going to teach you paper 8th B, Indian Writings in English. Students, in this first class of this paper, today we are going to discuss very briefly the history of Indian English writings. Students, Indian English Literature, IEL, has a relatively recent history as it is only almost 2 centuries old. Students, Indian English literature refers to the body of work by writers in India who write in English language and whose native language could be one of the various languages and vernaculars used in India. It also includes works of authors that fall in the category of Indian diaspora. The first book written by an Indian English was by Sheikh Deen Muhammad, and the title of his work was Travels of Deen Muhammad, and the book was published in the year 1793 in England. In its early stages, it was influenced by the Western art form of novel. Indians began to use English for creative expression much before Macaulay's Minutes and the implementation of his policy on English education. For example, Henry Desrosiers' volume of poems was published in the year 1823, and Kanshi Prasad Ghosh published his volume of poetry entitled The Shire and Other Poems in the year 1830. Students, these two eminent Indians may not be great as poets. Their work is largely imitative of such English poets as Scott and Byron, but their historical importance is great, for they belong to that small group of Indians who wrote in English much before Macaulay. Students, most of the early exponents of Indian literature in India were British, such as Rudyard Kipling and Jim Corbett, but they had lent the preliminary push. Rabindranath Tagore, Michael Madhusudan Dutt, Rishi Aurobindo Ghosh, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Sarojini Naidu are some of the stalwarts who contributed much profoundly to the historical maturity of English literature in India. Students, early Indian writers used English unadulterated by Indian words to convey an experience which was essentially Indian. Raja Rao's Kanthapura is Indian in terms of its storytelling qualities. Students, you know about Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote in Bengali and English, and he translated some of his Bengali works into English himself. Nirad C. Chaudhary, another stalwart, a writer of non-fiction, is best known for his autobiography of an unknown Indian, in which he relates his life experiences and influences. P. Lal, a poet, translator, publisher, and essayist, is the epitome of literature, and besides translating the entire Mahabharata into English, has written many essays in defense of Indian literature in English. Students, India has produced many notable writers in the English language, including Sir Aurobindo, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Swami Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, and to include famous novelists such as R.K. Narayan, Ruskin Bond, and many more. More contemporary Indians such as Vikram Seth and Salman Rushdie are acknowledged masters of English literary style. Indian English writers and English writers of Indian origin Notably, Booker Prize winners Salman Rushdie, Arundhati Roy, and Kiran Desai. Booker Prize shortlisted authors Rohinton Mistry. Pulitzer Prize winner Jhumpa Lahiri and Nobel Prize winner V.S. Naipaul have made creative use of more stereotypical English, Indian English through the characters in their works. Students, the period from 1900 to 1947 is the assimilative period when Indian poets, still romantic, tried to assimilate the romanticism of the early 19th century British poets and the new romantics of the decadent period for expressing the consciousness of the Indian Renaissance between nationalism and political changes, which ultimately led to the attainment of political freedom in the year 1947. In post 1960, one notices the emergence of new voices slowly making themselves heard as the important poets try to cast off old techniques and break away from forms which are beginning to stifle their creative freedom in a damaging way. Poets like Nissim Ejikil, Jayant Mahapatra, A.K. Ramanujan, R. Parthasarathy, Shiv K. Kumar, K.K.N. Daruwala, O.P. Bhatnagar, Arun Kolatkar, Kamla Das, Gauri Deshpande, Gauri Pant, Leela Ray, Monica Verma, and Margaret Chatterjee not only project new things but present it in a manner quite different from their predecessors. Students, the mid 20th century saw the emergence of poets such as Nizam Ezekiel, whose famous work entitled The Unfinished Man, P. Lal, A.K. Ramanujan, and The Striders, Relations, Second Sight, Selected Poems are some of the anthologies published by him. Don Morris, author of A Beginning, K.K. Daruwala, G. Patel, Adil Jasuwala, Kamla Das, Arun Kolatkar, R. Parthasarathy are some of the prominent poets of India who were heavily influenced by literary movements taking place in the West, such as symbolism, surrealism, existentialism, absurdism, and confessional poetry. These authors used Indian phrases alongside English words and tried to reflect a blend of Indian and the Western culture. Students, our today's discussion comes to an end here. We will continue with this topic in our next class as well. Thank you very much. And students, this presentation is based on the material taken from internet and some books. Thank you very much once again.